Welcome to Shop POS. Sign in. Dashboard appears.
Go to Products option. Select Create Product. Enter product details. Press Submit. Product created successfully. For the changes in product details, go to Product List. Press Edit. Edit changes. Press Submit. Details edited successfully. To print barcode, select Print Barcode option. Choose Warehouse. Search product by product code. Product selected. You can increase or decrease the quantity or add quantity manually. Select paper size. Press Update. Press Print. Barcode printed successfully.
Thanks for watching.